Okay, so when you arrive at the international airport, get off the plane. This is Batik Airlines, and early in the morning in Malaysia, we are walking towards the immigration, and this is the gate that we come out of. So it's the gate, so we walk towards, basically just follow the crowd. Okay, so I'm fast forwarding this to show you the direction as I go. Now there is a crucial point here, as you because the signs are not so clear. As you come around the corner, there used to be a A train that takes you to the next terminal, but because it's under construction, slow down here on the left. Look at where my finger is pointing. On the left, go into this lane where the yellow part is and walk in. Follow the crowd and just keep going. Follow this video. You'll find that there's toilet breaks as well if you need to. Keep going straight, and you will, it's quite a long walk, but the walker later is going to be very useful. You go downstairs, and then there is a point where you take the bus. I'm guessing this might be just temporary for now, as they are renovating the train. Go into the bus, and it will take you to the arrival hall area. So this bus is going to go for a few minutes. As you can see, I'm fast forwarding it again, and get off. You walk up the escalator, and from here I will slow it down again, and you will see this crucial part. Okay, so this is the SIM card station where you get data for your phone. Very important. You can get this right outside the airport as well, but if you want to get in touch with people or just search online, this is one of the better provider. The prices are right there. It's fairly cheap. If you buy something online, it's probably going to be more expensive, but this is pretty good. So 28 ringgit for 7 days. That is basically less than $10 Aussie dollars, probably 8 or 9, and you get quite a lot of data there. So I suggest to get it here if you can. If not, you also can get it right outside the terminal when you pass the immigration. It's very cheap, and you need your passport, and also your phone. So he will activate that for you. Usually it will take a few minutes. You put new SIM in, and all you have to do is reset your phone, turn it off and on again, and choose your new SIM for data. Just a reminder, there's free Wi-Fi as well in the airport, so throughout the airport you can communicate with people or search stuff online, but I highly recommend to get one of these cheap SIM card because it's really handy. As you know, the internet is pretty much everything you need. Now this is the part where it's kind of new as well. Okay, so from the 1st of January 2024, you have to fill in the Malaysian Digital Arrival Card, and that will be in the link below. It must be done minimum 3 days or less before you arrive, and this applies to all foreigners except for citizens of Singapore, diplomats, Malaysian permanent residents, Brunei, Thailand border pass, and Indonesia cross. So pretty much if you are a Westerner or a foreigner that's not close to Malaysia, you have to fill in this form. It's really quick. You can do it on your phone. straightforward. The link is just below. 3 days, under 3 days before arriving, just fill it up to minimize your checkout time. Bring it to this immigration lady here or person that is going to be at the counter, and once you fill that up, it's going to be really fast and easy to go through. They will just check your passport and check the form that you fill up. If all is well, then you will be let go. Obviously they will still take your photo, look at the camera, and they will also take your fingerprints, two pointing finger, so they can, that's part of their immigration process. Okay, so there you go, taking my fingerprints, and once that's all good, you are free to go to the next part. And that's it. You're out of the immigration. Easy. And if you have to collect your luggage, just right in front. There's duty free as well. If you wish to buy any alcohol, probably best to buy it here because it's more expensive in Malaysia due to the Islamic law that bans alcohol. Exchange rate, but I wouldn't advise you to change here. So this next part is where you get your luggages from the plane. Very simple. You can see the flight number on the screen and just wait till your luggage arrive. There's a trolley on the left. You can pick them up and put your luggages on the trolley. Follow my steps here to go towards the exit. The exit is where there will be immigration checking your bags coming out. Along this lane, keep walking and you will see the checkout area where there is the bag X-ray. Lay your bag flat here, all your bags. Don't worry about passport. Just leave it there, walk through, and it should clear if you don't have anything that is prohibited. Take your bags and continue proceeding towards the exit. You will walk towards a bin where you can dispose any of the prohibition of importation into Malaysia. So it's all there, nothing. Continue to walk. You will start going close towards the transportation out of the airport. Keep walking and walking, and you will exit the immigration area. This is where people wait for you. If someone is picking you up, they will be waiting there with a board or a sign. Proceed walking, and earlier I told you about the SIM card station. This is another bunch of them that's outside here, so you can also get them here, pretty much the same, maybe a bit more choices. Okay, so there you go. If you wish to learn more about things in KL, subscribe. I have another video to show you how to get to the main train station from the airport. So look for that in my channel and you will find it. Hopefully that will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day and enjoy KL.